For decades, creating software meant staring at a glowing screen and typing out thousands of lines of incredibly confusing text by hand. It is a lot like trying to build a massive skyscraper by laying every single brick yourself, one slow, exhausting piece at a time. Recently, a developer named Jin faced a task that felt just that massive. He needed to completely rebuild an enormous, highly complex software system known as Claw Code. Normally, a project of this size would take a highly paid engineering team months to complete. Jin recreated the entire system from scratch in exactly 2 hours, finishing before the sun even came up. He didn't achieve this by typing fast. In fact, he barely typed any code at all. Instead of playing the role of the exhausted bricklayer, Jin acted as a site foreman, directing an incredibly fast, automated crew. We have reached a point where making software no longer requires manual labor. The job is now about managing the automated team that does the heavy lifting for you. Instead of seeing artificial intelligence as a single, all-knowing oracle, think of modern AI development tools as a fully coordinated team of specialized workers. Here is the setup. You are the foreman. The AI divides the labor. A builder writes code, a tester checks for errors, and an inspector ensures safety. While the builder constructs logic, the tester simultaneously grabs that exact work, catching mistakes in real time. The best part is how you talk to them. You do not need a complex programming environment or specialized coding language to manage this crew. Your entire control room is just a standard chat application, like Discord. It works exactly like a walkie-talkie, connecting you directly to your digital workers. The steep technical wall that used to keep people out of software development is gone. If you know how to text a friend, you now have the technical skills to operate an entire development team. Let's look at how this plays out in reality. You start by opening your chat app and typing a simple, plain English instruction, something like, "Build me a functioning calculator app." And then comes the most crucial step of the process. You set your phone down, step away from the computer, and let the system work. While you are making coffee or even sleeping, the AI team reads your message. They split your request into tasks, assign roles amongst themselves, and start writing code simultaneously. When they inevitably make a mistake, they don't pause to ask you for help. The internal tester spots the error, flags it, and the builder automatically rewrites the flawed section. Hours later, you check back in. Waiting for you is a fully completed, tested, and working application. Your value in this process does not come from hovering anxiously over a keyboard. It comes from setting up a system where machines identify and fix their own errors without you ever needing to intervene. For a long time, developers competed on who could type the fastest or who could memorize the most complex coding languages. Today, that is no longer an advantage. What actually matters today is shown right here. You need a clear mental picture of what you want to build, and the ability to break that big idea down into simple, logical instructions for your team. These coordination tools are out there right now, completely available to the public. You do not need a computer science degree to start using them. You only need 3 things to get started: a solid idea, the ability to explain steps clearly, and a chat box. Stop thinking of software creation as a technical wall that takes years of training to climb. Start treating it exactly like directing an eager construction crew that is just waiting for your orders. Now that you can use a simple chat box to direct a team that handles the manual labor, the only thing left to decide is what you'll have them build first.